All right, good people. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to yet another episode of the Robinhood Portfolio. We're going to get right into it. All right, so this is for those of you that's been watching the series. I know you want to know if I made 1% this week. We're going to get into it. All right, so the moment you've been waiting for. Now, first, I'm going to show you Palantir. And here, I sold a contract of Palantir for $100. That's a $100 call. I got filled, as you can see there. And then Palantir got close to $100, and I still wanted to keep my shares. So for me to roll it, as you see here, it says two option strategy. I got filled, and that cost me $683. So, but because I had to roll the contract, I didn't get 1% this week, at least not from Palantir anyway. Actually, I didn't get it all. I didn't get it at all, not even from my SPY contract either. But I'll get into that. I'm gonna finish explaining what I did. So I bought that contract back of Palantir for $2. And then I sold another one. This is the 110 call. That got filled. I got $105 credit. But that's not it. Palantir kept soaring. And currently it went above 110. So I had to roll again. So no 1%. This time it cost me $380 a roll. So now I'm out of pocket over a band. But before I show you the SPY, I'm going to explain why I put out so much to keep the shares. Now, as you see here, Palantir is currently going for over $112. And you see this in real time. The market is open. That's why you see the number fluctuation. And here's the reason why I did what I did. My average cost is $70.90, 100 shares. Now you see my total return is over 4 bands. Now anybody that's been watching the series of this, you had to see where I was down, where Palantir went down to like $64, $65, something like that. But this is a great turnaround. Now, what you're looking at here, this is the roll that I made. I'm selling Palantir the 165 call, and you see the fluctuation in price because the market's still open. Now, my expiry date is March 21st. I got a credit of $1.09, and currently the market value of that options contract is 64 cents. So the total return thus far is $45. So now a couple of things that can play out with this is that I can roll it yet again, and yeah, it will cost. Now, why I rolled it over in the first place, because I have until March 21st for Palantir to go to $165. Now, just say I do absolutely nothing and I let my shares get called away. Now, the difference between 165 and 70.90, as you can see right here, 16 429.10. I I get the opportunity to make that next month. So on that note, that's why I felt it was worth it for me to roll the Palantir contract twice. The return is way greater than the band that I just spent. Now, as far as SPY, I didn't get 1% here either. I bought the contract, as you see here, for $42 per contract, and I only got a $65 credit. But I just wanted to get out of it because after the Palantir roll, I didn't want to spend any more money. So I said, let me take profit while it's here. All right, if this video added value, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Oh, and one more thing, this message is being brought to you by Fundrise, where for as little as $10, you can get started with your real estate investing journey. Link is in the description. Back to the video. So I'm going to try it yet again. As you see here, I have a 610 call. It didn't get filled yet. That's why that number's still there. And as you see, the bid and ask is a little lower. It's 102. The bid is 103 and the ask is 105. And I'm asking for 175. So I'm gonna have to wait that out. And as you can see here, as far as SPY goes, it's currently going for $695. Well, $600.95. As you can see, I'm still up. I am still profitable. My average cost is $554.73. I got 100.171325 shares. My total return thus far is over 4 bands, more like 4,600. So other than that, I'm standing pretty well. I have to wait and see if my cover call gets filled on SPY, and Palantir, I guess I don't have to roll the contracts over anymore, at least not for a little while anyway, because that expires March 21st, so I have a good while. Now this is something I've been looking at off and on. This is Uber, and currently it's going for $74.65. Now this morning at the opening bell, you see there at 9:30, it opened at $70.23. And as the day progressed, it went up like $6 here. It dropped a little bit. And currently, yeah, it dropped a little bit more. Now, somewhere down the line, I would love to have 100 shares of this. And I'm going to show you my intentions. Now, this is not financial advice, for I cannot tell you what to buy, hold, or sell. And also do know I am not a financial advisor. Everything that I say in this video is my opinion based on my life's experiences and how I invest and trade. That said, this is what I plan to do as far as Uber is concerned, and any other stock or ETF that I plan to purchase in the future. I would go here, click on Uber options. And by the way, you can also do this if you have a Roth IRA or an individual, if it's self-directed, you can do exactly what I'm showing you. Now, what you see here is the Uber options chain. I would like to sell a put. Now, with options, it gives you the right but not the obligation to buy shares of whatever it is that you're invested in or plan to invest in. So just say hypothetically I was in a position to buy 100 shares of Uber by February 21st. So you see here, the current price is $74.70. Now, I don't want to buy it there. And here's how you get the market to pay you to buy it cheaper. Now, as you see here, this is the $70 strike price. Now, chance of profit is 83%. So pretty much, and this is only my opinion, when I look to buy shares of anything or sell them, I like to at least have at least an 80% chance of profit. Now next, I would click this 40 cent. That's times 100, that's $40. And if this were to fill, I would get $40 of credit. And now, just say if I got filled, I'm not going to go through this because I'm not ready for this yet. Now, if I was to get filled, I would get a credit of $40. And if Uber dropped to $70, I would have bought it for $7,000. But subtract the 40 from that, and that would be my actual cost. I'll hit the continue button, but I'm not going to go through with this trade. Now, as you see here, now if I wanted more than one, I'd click the desired number. And here, if I chose not to accept the 40 cent credit, see the bid is 40, but the ask is 60. So I can actually move this number up. So as you see here, I added 55 cents. Now, I could also go to 60 because that's the ask, but if I really wanted it, I might have to wait a little bit. If I offer 60, there's a chance that I would get filled more so at 55. And also here, time and force, I could either put this order in and it has to get filled by the end of the day. If not, then it'll cancel out. Or if I want to stay in it, I would click good to cancel. Now, you see the credit went up, but that doesn't mean that I got filled yet, but that's what I would ask. Review order, I'm not going to do that because I have no intentions of buying Uber, at least not at this time anyway, but it's on the watch list. All right, so I hope that video was insightful and enjoyable. And do know, once again, I am not a financial advisor. Before investing in the stock market or anything for that matter, do your own due diligence. And also, if I added value, if the info was useful to you, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I love you all. Till next video. Peace.